Hey guys, and welcome back to this brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr. And here as you can see on my Fiverr, you can get a logo or a banner or both for your YouTube channel if you want. But now back to the video. So I'm just going to jump right in and type DaVinci Resolve here. There you go, and you want to go to the first site right here. It's by Blackmagic Design. So here on the home screen, actually you will have to scroll a little bit here because it's actually down on this page. There you go, just scroll down until you see it. It's right here. So you have the DaVinci Resolve and you have the DaVinci Resolve Studio version. You actually have to pay for the Studio version, but the DaVinci Resolve version is actually very complete. So that's what we're going to download today. So just click here. So as you can see, we have the two versions again. Of course, you want the free one, which is right here, and I have Windows. And here it's going to ask you to fill in just some info. You can fill in your info if you want. And so as you can see, once you filled in the form, you will actually be brought here, and it will actually start downloading here in the upper right corner. So there you go. Once it's finished, you can actually go here and click on show in folder. So then it will actually show you that it's probably in your downloads. So then what you do is right click and actually extract all here. Just click extract here. There you go, to open this new window, and we can just click on the installer here. Windows asks you say yes, and as you can see, you can leave these both checked. Go to install, you can do next, you accept the license agreement. This is up to you, but I would advise you to leave it like this. It's fine. Then click install. There you go. Once it's done, it will just show you this. You can click on finish. So just say complete. It's up to you if you want to restart your computer now. It's optional. You can just launch it right here. It created a shortcut. And there you go, for me it's ready to go because I already had it installed. So what you can actually do is go to Untitled Project. This is the cutscene, but mainly I'm going to use the edit, especially if you're going to do YouTube videos. Go right in the corner, you can go to the settings. And basically what DaVinci could ask you if you're a first time user of DaVinci is the kind of setup you want. So you can go with, for example, 920 by 1080, HD standard. I have 920 by 1080, but you could go higher if you actually do an Ultra HD or not. Depends on the size of your screen as well. But what I also wanted to show you lastly is something that a lot of new users struggle with because it's pretty hard to find. Is actually where you find the project files. Quite hidden, but you can find it this way. You just click here, go to local database, open file location. Then as you can see here, you can see the path. Then you click to resolve projects, users, guest, projects, and there you will see your projects. You can just open one and you'll see the actual project file. So once again, you can check here for the path up here. But in any case, guys, that's it for this video. Hope it helped. Of course, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe, also really nice. And hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.